In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off your iPhone without using the power button. This can be useful if your power button is not working properly or if you are looking for alternative ways to turn off your device. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. After that, tap on this button at the top right corner. Now you can simply slide the power icon from left to right to turn off your iPhone. There is also another way to turn off your iPhone without using the power button. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Shut Down. Then slide the power icon from left to right to turn off your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.